Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you need a pair of pantyhose, then you want them to be excellent quality, and I have found these to be the perfect pair. I have these pantyhose by MANZI in a size medium. I find that they fit me very well. I'm usually a small or a medium, and I have them in the color Suntan. So this color is fantastic, and they do have a control top, but I don't find that to be too tight at all. I find it to be just enough support, but they are not uncomfortable to wear, which is super important to me. I also love that these are not sheer, so you can see the difference between where the control top is, a little bit thicker material, and then the actual pantyhose, but they are not see-through by any means. The more you stretch them, the more they're going to be a little bit sheer, but I really find that the coverage is amazing. So if you're looking for a pair of pantyhose that's going to give you some control up top and then just smooth things out on your legs, I find these to be perfect for that and super comfy. These are such a great option for pantyhose. I have been super, super happy with them, and I think that you will be too, but that's just my point of view.